Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to build the brick stitch, step by step. This bead weaving technique creates a strong, flexible fabric, perfect for many jewelry projects. To begin, gather your essential materials: seed beads, a durable beading thread like Fireline or Nymo, and a size 10 or 12 beading needle. A bead mat will keep your beads from rolling away, and small, sharp scissors are useful for trimming thread. The foundation for brick stitch is usually a ladder stitch, which ensures a stable base. To start, thread your needle and pick up 2 beads. Pass your needle back through the first bead, then pull the thread snugly so the beads sit neatly side by side. Continue this process, adding 1 bead at a time, always looping back through the previous bead to create a sturdy, flat row. Aim for an even number of beads for a symmetrical start. Once your ladder stitch base is complete, it's time to build the next row. For the very first stitch of a new row, pick up 2 beads. Pass your needle under the thread bridge between the first 2 beads of the previous row. Then, go up through the second bead, down through the first, and back up through the second to secure them. For the rest of the row, pick up 1 bead, go under the next thread bridge, and up through that bead. Brick stitch offers great versatility for shaping your designs. To increase a row, you will add 2 beads into the very first thread bridge. For a decrease, simply skip the first thread bridge and begin stitching into the second one. Always maintain consistent thread tension to ensure your beadwork is neat and uniform. When your piece is complete, carefully weave your working thread through several beads in the existing rows, then trim it closely for a clean finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.